Two more resources that we have for elementary math. One is for all grades, and that is Hands-On Standards. One is for just grades 3 through 5, and that's Engaging Mathematics. Again, whenever you get your logins, you'll be able to access these resources easily. Until then, you can always go to bit.ly/uppercase FWISD lowercase math. If you type that in, hopefully it works for you. If not, it'll populate to this page right here, Elementary Math Resources, grades K through 5. I'm going to go over the one for grades 3 through 5 first, and then go over Hands-On Standards. So Engaging Mathematics is from Region 4, and it's really star-based and has a lot of activities. When you click these folders, you'll go to 3, 4, and 5. Let's go to 4th grade. Within 4th grade, you'll see all the TEKS folders, so 4.2 ABCD, 4.3 ABCD, and so on. At the very bottom, you have your activities, masters, and student pages. These activities right here, you can give them to students, but most likely they're teacher kind of pages for you to use, cut up, paste, and then to remake an activity or a lesson for your kids. These down here, student pages, are ones that you can give to kids easily. So let's go ahead and go to one of these activities. When you go to these folders, there might be more than one for a TEK. So if we see here 4.2a, there's only one activity, well, where 4.2b has 3. And so some have a lot, some have very few, but there should be one for each TEK. So let's go ahead and go to 4.2b. When it opens up, you have just various little activities for your kids to be using and doing in class. And so expanded, describing that. Now this is a find someone who, so you can't really use this in class, but these are activities and thoughts and things that you can be cutting and pasting to then make your lessons virtually. And there's almost always a communicating about mathematics section. A few years ago and still now, we were pushing writing and reading in math, and we still are. So it's always good to have kids do the naked math, the actual math activities, but then to also have an activity or a part of your daily instruction that involves communicating about math, explaining orally and writing what they're actually thinking, the mathematical relationships and such. So this is the Engaging Mathematics for grades 3 through 5. The Hands-On Standards are great for all grades. Let's go ahead and check out 2nd grade. Let's go back. Let's check out 3rd grade. So in 3rd grade, you're going to have the Hands-On Standards TE and then all the activity pages. So the TE right here has the answers, and it's a color document that shows the teacher tips and tricks for teaching all the various TEKs. The actual folders below these, the algebraic, the number, measurement, those are the student pages. This book has answers, and so you won't be able to just copy these out into your kids. If you look at this book, though, when you get to your campus, it's a hard copy. Right here we have the digital version of it. At the bottom right of all the pages is a link to the actual student page. So if you can't find the page you're needing in those other documents, those other links, because they're grouped by sections and you have to search through, if you can't find those, well, you can always look at the TE and then get the website that goes directly to that page. And then we have Blackline Masters also that you can use. You can download those and be using those with your camera or your Screencast-O-Matic to make lessons for your kids. So this is a great resource also. So we have our Engaging Mathematics and our Hands-On Standards, and that comes from the link bit.ly/uppercase FWISD lowercase math.